Hi guys, welcome to the Cue Card Pop-up, and my topic for today is a famous person you're interested to meet. And who is that person? Why do you want to meet him or her? And why is he famous? Okay. And I'm going to speak again for 2 minutes right away. So we're starting at 2 minutes. We're starting at 20 seconds. I'll be ending it at 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, a very famous person who I want to meet is Paulo Coelho. He is basically the author of a best-selling novel, The Alchemist. He's also written number of novels like The Alchemist, The Here, 11 Minutes, Prada, and many more. And one of his latest novels, The Spy, has won my heart absolutely. There are a number of reasons why I want to meet this man. Basically, I've come across a lot of writers who are, who write fiction. But in his case, his entire story is different. And what he writes is very magical. So, what I've heard about him, some are rumors. Some believe that he was psychic, and some believe he had mental issues. Some also believe that he had mental disorders. He himself is more like a hippie, and that's what he had said in his earlier times. And what I want to know while meeting him is that all true? His age is approximately like he's 60, and when he's old now, so his journey of life has been like a roller coaster. And I want to know that how from a mental asylum a person has such an amazing idea. Like when he writes about the universe, he writes about how the blessings of the universe, he writes about spirituality. He's an amazing philosopher who can connect day-to-day life. I mean, what I also believe is that he's very bold when it comes to writing. There are certain subjects which other authors would not pick, would not choose so as to please the public, but he's never one of them. So I really want to meet him. And when I meet him, I want to know that what inspired him to write and how was his journey about. Since he probably lives in Brazil, I am Europe, but I would want to, when I will travel, I would love that somewhere down the line I can encounter him, and it would be a dream come true if I encounter him.